This is how you can trim audio on the iPad. Let's get started. If you are new here and first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. So it depends on where the audio is, because you can, for example, have it stored in the voice memos app. That is the most common way to capture audio. And if you have that stored, then you can of course get inside and tap on edit, and you can essentially just try to remove the beginning or ending parts, or even select an area in the middle and then decide to delete that, right? So you can trim the audio in a very nice way as long as it's part of the Apple's built-in voice memos. If you, for example, have the audio saved in the Files app and it's not captured as a voice recording, that is a bit of a different story, because if you located some kind of audio file within the Files app, you can hold down on it and click on Open With and see which apps actually allow you to make some changes to it. And most likely by default, you don't have any audio editor, so we can get one from the App Store. You can literally look up something like MP3 Cutter or Audio Editor, and there are going to be some apps where you can just import that audio file and then perform some changes to it, like to trim it or add some effects or whatever you need. But as I say, it's unlikely that you're going to be able to do it within the built-in apps, because you're going to have to get something like a third-party editor. Many of them are available, and most of them get the job done. Some require you to have a subscription, some work for free. So yeah, you kind of just have to find the one that you are going to like. But the point is that you can import the clips, the audio clips, into an app like this one. So I really hope I can help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll hope to see you later in the next videos as well.